was missing you. Aww. I think I'll be more on live this week. No, not like for the next few days. It probably, yeah. I'm not too sure until when. What happened to our backyard, Chomi? I took a break. But it's still going, it's still fine, it's still fine. You can see it from this angle. Oh no, this is the front yard, sorry. That's front yard. Backyard is the other way. I don't think the gate's open. I don't think the gate. Is your family all in Johannesburg? Not yet. They're coming on Monday. The rest are coming on Monday. Who's doing your hair? Be beautiful. Charity. Actually, we need a reality show. I can't disagree. We do need one, but like, since no one wants to give it to us right now, we'll keep going live and just, doing what we can, where we can, how we can. And then by the time they ask, we'll just be worth a lot more money. And then it'll be up to them if they want to give us the amount we're asking for.
I'm really sorry, but I know I'll be okay.
Plastic singer shared live. What do you call yourself, plastic singer? Are you gonna buy the choice assorted? Guys, it's a Christmas. If you don't buy choice assorted, I have to. I already bought one box. It's finished. I done the majority of the box. But yeah, a lot of us, I think. You are so loyal to Be Beautiful, and they are loyal to me, so it's like a mutual loyalty, which I absolutely love. If you are loyal to me, I'll be extra loyal to you. I love you, Dorky. How's Cruz and Jessie? Jessie's just lazing around since yesterday. We haven't been having much of productive days. I'm doing my hair today, so it's kind of like productive. Should I turn? Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm having like a bit of a productive day, but not too much.
Ezra, Laura, Daniela, Sophia, Emily.
Maybe if I go to the mall later on, I'll be a bit more productive. Tomorrow I'm gonna be in Durban, so I will have a productive day then. Your mom is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I can't disagree. The reason that I'm not as beautiful is because, remember, like in kids, we have to have fathers. So, I'm not saying that my dad's ugly though. I'm just saying like, I have been missing your live. I'm glad I got to see it. No, but I haven't been going live too much. Tomorrow in Durban is going to be raining. It's going to be raining. So I have to change my outfit. Your dad is so handsome though. Thank you so much. Looking good. Thank you, Marley. Not that much, but I can a little bit. Kitchen Zulu. When are we getting international shipping for AO Mood? Please, Ash. Chichi, as soon as we get it, you'll be the first to know.
That I get from the girls when they're performing on stage.
Keep them and wear your bonnet while sleeping. I can't sleep with the bonnet, yo. Happy birthday to your mom. Thank you. How are you? I'm very tired. How are you? Tell the girl to handle you like it's a lady, not a girl.
It's overwhelming, but I don't feel overwhelmed about it.
It's a lady.
So much love and support.
Thank you guys so much. Can't wait to see your final look. Yes, ma'am. You're so kind. Thank you, Boka Moso. Hey Ash, I can make my classmates in Germany watch your TikTok and YouTube. I make my classmates. Thank you so much, Leandra. Thank you. Show us, Jessie. Aish. Do you play Capitec, Ash? How do you play Capitec? Is there a game?
It's unfortunate.
Anything nice coming? There is actually. I won't lie, Shay. There's something nice coming next week. Stay tuned.
Tomorrow. But in the meantime, be prepared just in case she
Show us the place.
is a bit too long.
And you are?
Only half an hour.
And you are demanding from me?
This is
Oh, Shane.
example.
For air mood, baggy t-shirts.
Every single one of
Patience is the key. Good.
his performance.
Yes, what did you... A lot.
Somebody.
Huh? What's happening, Jessie?
Like when I got here, I couldn't
What's she saying?
see.
What's she saying?
She was going to the shop.
Oh.
It's not like
Do you have younger sisters? I have one sister. I don't have sisters. Hi.
That you deserve to be removed.
Hi. Yo, I have...
We call the lights and we leave the button. You get it, she's hot. Ignore.
I'm shuffling out.
ungrateful.
She's very angry.
Are you ready for lunch with Maddie's? I'm very ready. Let's be practical. She can't read all comments. Guys, what comments am I missing? If I missed the comment, please repeat it. Hey Ash, I've greeted you for a while, my love. Hey again. Hey TF Chedza.
It's just so cool that
I'm so excited for what's coming next week. Yeah, me too.
It's going to be selected.
Bonang, I wish to see you.
Millions of people.
Thank you.
We are exactly 10 days out from
I'm so excited for it. Let me read new comments.
3 performances, 2 groups of 5.
Sister, please greet me. Guys, if I can't see your comments when you greet me, it's not that deep. Like, I mean, I'll greet you if I see it. If I don't see it, I'm sorry. And if me greeting you is such a big thing,
we come back out.
you're gonna be a roast in the oven.
Each of the 3 judges will pick
I had braids for 3 months. I'm struggling to unbraid them. The matter must be mattered.
The live finale is going on, and then of
Ash, when are you not posting? When you are not posting anything, I feel like an orphan. I'm sorry, I will try to post something.
This is the last performance that the girls will get.
You named your daughter after me. How old is she? That means she's a newborn.
6. All the same as
My God, continue to bless you. Thank you. How old is she,
on
Patience?
stage live performance.
the thing was to show something racial.
Forgive them, Ash. They don't know English. Today is not the day to not know English against me.
Themes of the song.
Do you know how it feels when you read our comments?
The voting is now closed.
No, I don't.
And then after that, we'll go into our final elimination. 저희가 이제
The entitlement. Yeah, like it, just the entitlement cruises in a room playing.
사실 개인적으로 저희
Ash, please fix your... Why don't you go fix your issues with your family or your school teachers? Because clearly they didn't give you that much education.
제가 워낙
Ashley, do you have any idea why people supported you so much?
그렇게
I didn't at first, but like then I realized that I'm just Ashley Ogle. I'm not trying to be a celebrity. I'm not trying to be. I'm trying to do what I love, but I'm not. When I say I'm not trying to be a celebrity, I mean like I'm not trying to be someone that people can't relate to. I'm not trying to be PR perfect or perfect just because people want me to be. I'm just being myself.
When I came to this
And a lot of people, they just want to be themselves as well. That's why I feel like they can do that freely by watching someone like me
you never know how people are gonna react.
succeeding. I doubt some of you Ashes
People just like
here, cause wow,
that, so it's kind of like
cause wow, the questions you ask, damn,
I'm just like no.
your responses are killing me.
So that's for me to
They're killing you, but you're still alive. You're typing, so you're not dead. They're not killing you.
and not letting those.
Cause like you make, I've noticed there's this other girl named Londeka. I think her name was Londeka. She's just a matriculant acting like a big woman here.
We're all pretty.
And now I've clocked you. Stop coming here and saying things because you're irrelevant. Why don't you go and apply to do something? Thank you.
Same of how we come.
Ash, this is not rude. Some of you are tiring
Almost 2 years.
and gets on her nerves. You guys, come on. If they think I'm rude, who's like, do I really? Look at my face. Look at my eyes and my nose and my lips. Tell me, do you think I care? What do you think? Just by looking at it. Tell me if you think I care. I don't. Thank you for clocking her. Hey Ash. Hey Arona. Patience. She's 3 weeks old. Oh my. And her name is Ashley. That's so nice.
You're almost like ready to show off a little bit. Right now, I'm just like trying to.
There are two Lunicas, baby, but I see the one you're talking about.
We know how heavy
Bro.
this is, that we're just trying to like spend as much time in the present as we can, if that makes sense.
We follow you because you're real. Keep on being you. Thank you,
We have 6 spots
CT.
and 10 girls. So we're going to
Patience.
pick extra combination of fan votes.
Hi Ash.
And try to-
I've been getting a lot of DMs of people asking me if I'm fine, if I'm okay and stuff. That's why I was like, let me go on live because
Maybe we
let me try and show you guys that I'm not sick. I'm just a little bit tired.
I think her
Just a
youth
little
is
bit.
strength that could end up being her downfall.
I think even if she doesn't make the group this week,
You the best. Thank you.
another 18 to 24
We
months,
the
she's
best.
gonna be better than we can
We
imagine.
miss you, Ash.
Sophia,
I miss you guys
have seen
too.
When she does check out,
Thank
and she
you.
can come off boring.
She's not there anymore. The lady is good, more than those ones that leave your own hair out. Eyeball, guys. Who has left my own hair out?
I really, really like Marky.
When is my mom and dad coming? They're coming. They're coming on Monday, actually.
Is her confidence.
They're coming Monday. Would you rather have people be able to read your mind or have access to your internet? You can have access to my internet history. There's only dumb things there.
Why the fans will not resonate.
But in my mind,
Voting is so low, and I'm not sure.
yeah, no,
like,
it's
I'm
not dumb.
How I can help her improve it. Samara, she's a very
I love the fact that you're getting the hairstyle. I can't hear.
dances.
What hairstyle is this? Can you guys already see it? Because I can only see the front as I'm looking at you. I know what it is, obviously. But yeah.
Just watching her rehearsal as soon as it stopped, she has to sit down.
No problem.
In our top 10s.
The last thing I googled, what is the last thing? I would have to pause and go back to Google to see what's the last thing I googled.
Like conversations about.
Do you date girls? No, I'm Christian. I googled jumbo braids, sizes of jumbo boho braids.
A lot of work to do.
Say hi to Shion. I went to go see
I want to hear Laura sing.
access to your WhatsApp. Are you asking me for access to my WhatsApp, or are you asking me? The thing is that I hardly respond on WhatsApp. I'm a bad texter. If there's a point that we need to,
Encompass everything that comes.
if there's something we're talking about and it's important, then I'll reply. But then, like, if it's anything further than that, I probably won't.
I think she should.
I've always been that way. Like, not even just because of me going on something and becoming something. I think I've always just been like,
Fun and just she's hilarious.
I don't like small talk.
No.
I just don't like small talk. I feel like we don't need to speak. If you're gonna ask me, hello, hi, how are you doing? What's the point of that? No.
There's a star there.
If one person isn't going to do it, it's going to bring everyone down.
Missed you guys too.
And they're giving up so much of their lives to get to this point.
Same, shame.
I wonder how much she
Thank
wants
you.
I want.
Hi guys, it's already Saturday today. I don't know why, I don't know, but this week went really fast and December is running.
Try to let my emotions.
Where are you going today? I'm not going anywhere.
All of this
I'm
involved.
kind of tired.
But at the end of
After this, I'll probably go sleep. I'll probably go sleep. I love you too, Tando.
Samara's getting
My hair instantly, you have beautiful skin. Thank you so much. Even though I'm facing some trauma here.
I just don't see the exact.
Really, I think it was kind of slow. Really, I think it was. What? Oh, the week was kind of slow. I think if you work like a 9 to 5, I can remember me last year. Hey, December weeks were just crawling.
I'm just like trying to not overthink all
Ashley, you look good. Thank you, Corey. I love you so much. I love you. Have a great day, babe. I'm out. Goodbye. I love you so much. At Yolanda, go watch her YouTube. She answered your question.
thanks
Wow.
for joining.
Do you think you can ever come to Botswana? Yes, I can.
So we really like to hear your
Definitely.
opinions
I can
on
definitely
these
come.
candidates, because this
Do you think you
should be
can?
your
Yes, I can definitely come. You just asked me the same question twice.
saw your reaction to this name.
Hey Ashley, please say hello. Hello. It's not hello. It's not hello. It's hello. HELLO. Are we buying Christmas clothes, Ash? No, I'm not this year. The others have, but I'm not buying Christmas presents.
Just between you guys, not with me. Thank you.
Keep using Clinique. Does good to your skin. I don't use Clinique like if it's not makeup though. I use Clinique makeup. The hairdresser's doing a nice job. She is indeed.
What are your guys'
She always does.
You crazy.
What hairstyle are you getting? I'm getting some sorts of jumbo boho braids with dancing curls.
Like it feels like it can be one era, it's one.
Ashley, let's brat.
Just being cat's eye, like even if it
Even I'm not Afrikaans, but I know it's brat with a P, not brat.
like it can still match that, and then it can grow into something more like.
Ashley, you're cute. You are like a cute little girl. Why do you say that when I look like this? Please say happy holidays to the Venda people. I don't believe that it's holidays though.
You're like crazy.
Personally, it's not the season of holidays. But I can say and wish you guys, I wish you a Merry Christmas. Venda people, I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Darkness, stay here, okay? Fans, cheering.
Your hair has grown a lot. You know what's the thing? Hi, it's Skylar. Okay. Now what now? Because you're sending so many messages saying it's you. I don't know anybody by that name. But hi, Skylar. What was I gonna say? I forgot what I was gonna say. Use Pond's micellar water. I don't use Pond's. It used to make me white. It has like a white cast. It helps though for pimple clear. What I have now is not acne from anything. It's literally just I think like a hormone imbalance or something. What color are your eyes? To me they're brown. They're just nice. They have a nice shape to it, but they're brown. You were saying something about holidays. I don't see this. Someone said I should say a happy holidays to the people in Venda. So I said to me, I don't see it as the holidays. I see it as Christmas period, Christmas festive. So I said Merry Christmas to the people in Venda. Yeah. One day you will kill me. Why? Would you ever consider dating women? No, never. Why would I do that? I mean, if you do that, that's your business, hey? That's good and well for you, but for me, that's not an option, unfortunately.
Tomorrow is just that.
No problem. What must she do about that?
Let's tap it
Hey, bro.
and give it off for the last time.
Don't you find it weird when people use your photo as PP? What's PP? Public something. I don't know. Thank you so much. What's your favorite song currently? Haven't had time to listen to music over and over. So it's still the old songs. Whenever I don't have a favorite current song, I go back to Michael Jackson. Yesterday, Ashes were fighting for their lives while campaigning. What do you mean? Why were they fighting? I think it's yours.
There is just one spot left. Remember,
For awards, I saw that. It was not a fight, it was for fun. Slay, girl. Ashes Awards. Can I have 2,900 for Christmas? Let's all answer. Let me see where that person, what's his name? Just Moto. He says, can I have 2,900 rand? 2,900 doesn't even say rand or yuan or dollars or euros or what. Can I have 2,900 for Christmas? No, please, nothing. But still, let's refer him to the person that will give that to him. You can ask. They're going to answer you. Ow! There's it. Bongi Mails. Ask Bongi Mails. Go to Bongi. Tomorrow around 7 you will be trending. Why? For the dinner. For the dinner. Why will I be trending tomorrow around 7? We will give them though. Maybe it's in Naira. For the dinner. Yes, for the dinner. Clack it. Clack it. Clack it. Because you will be out. Yes, ma'am. Kauratani. I love you too. For the dinner. Hey Ash. Hey Simplin. Can't wait to see your outfit. I don't have one. And I'm leaving early, 7:30 in the AM. And I'm coming back at like 10 o'clock at night. We're getting another award from Be Beautiful. We're getting another award from Be. Hey, don't make things up here. Don't make things up here. Just so I don't get the award, then they're dragging me. What's happening tomorrow? I'm going to Durban. Healthy hairline. Hey, everyone says that, and like I always have braids. Thank you so much. I don't know how does your hairline go charity because of braids? Your hairline doesn't go because of braids. It goes because of wig. Gluing wig, I think. But before there was wigs, people would also say their hairline goes because of braids. I'm like, how does your hairline go because of braids? Maybe they were doing those, not the knotless ones. They were doing, what do you call them? The normal braids here, and they were starting them here. No, but you can also get knotless box braids. They were getting that ones that we used to do before, when we didn't know how to do knotless. Pardon?
Are they not the braids?
I don't know what they call the traditional ones. How's Jessie? Ayanda and Kabinde from school. No, you're not from school. I don't know if she's from school. But she says, come. Less nerve, girl. Less nerve.
Absolutely last one.
Guys, I'm back. They look good. They look good.
I feel like you don't be like falling and dying. It looks like it's like.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm kidding. Guys, I had to come back. My mother was calling me, so I don't want to get into trouble. I was about to sleep, thank God. No, my bad. You will make a gorgeous bride. Ooh. I don't believe in weddings though. If I were to get married, I'm getting married at the courthouse. And yeah, my parents, they got married at court. My mother had her sister sign for her older sister, because she was the one forcing them to get married. And my father paid a car guard to sign for him. And then they've been married ever since. I'm 27 years old, and my parents have been married for 22 years. 22 years.
I'm 24 now.
They got married before Kieran was born.
I was like, they're not married.
In February they're gonna be married for 22 years. How much you wanna bet?
So 20 years.
22 years, not last year, the year before. Not this year. Not this year.
So they got married in
2003.
No, they didn't.
They went for their marriage certificate, my birth certificate, and your birth certificate all together. And
What Oscar?
she's married for next year. She's gonna be married for 22 years.
No.
In 2026, she's gonna be married for.
Right.
Look here, if you're married for 20 years in 2024, right?
Is that?
Next year she's gonna be married for.
Yeah, she said I'm right. Thank you. They got married 2004. I was 3. I know when I got married.
So next year she's gonna get married.
Next year's married. No.
22 years in Feb.
21 next year. She only got married for 20
We're in 2025 now.
She's getting married for 21 years next year in February. She's only got married in 2004. She's on the phone.
Can you listen to me? Can you listen to your calculations?
Can you listen?
She got married in 2004, right? I'm on live. You cannot put it on loud.
Okay.
So that means in 2024 she was married for 20 years.
Yes.
So you see, you think that you're a maths guru, but you actually not. Sit down.
No.
Sit down, lay on your pillow.
Well, you married for 21 years this year.
Yes, next year 2026. Sit down, lay on your pillow. Stop trying to calculate.
No. I was shocked with the 22 because I don't remember them having
Next year, I said in February. I didn't say this year.
Maybe I was a bit confused with the time, but I know it was 2004. No,
Arguing.
I know it was 2004.
Arguing.
Also,
It was a call god.
so she said don't say problem, but it was a problem.
It was a call god though. She got married with a call god sign.
I know it was 2004.
My father chose a call god to sign for.
Definitely.
My parents have been dating longer than I'm born,
Oh, they've
right?
been dating since
They were dating
1990.
since like 90s, like maybe.
85.
So they probably together for like 32 years, but they only married legally by the government
Wasn't enough.
for 22 years next year. Do you understand what I'm saying? And they went for the marriage certificate, my birth certificate, and Jesse's birth certificate all together.
I was turning.
So we didn't actually even belong to the government until I had to go to grade R. They only got married because I was going to grade R. That's so sad. So they were like, let's do all the paperwork one time. See, it's the truth though.
No, well, they were to the
She
same
is Desiree is on the live and she's been saying, no, seriously, I was only registered by the government when I was turning 5 years old.
Girl, you were really 5. You were 6 then.
Yeah, I only got a birth certificate because
We all.
actually all of these things were done out of convenience. Quite sad. So this is the life we were living in the 2000s, hey?
works. Worked out in the end. We were registered eventually.
Huh?
Eventually we got registered. We were fine.
Yeah, eventually I got registered. You know, I went to school.
Grade 1, so it's a win.
We done what we needed to do. But we're not very fast with paperwork.
Home affairs.
Huh?
Who wants to home?
Who wants to go to home affairs? Certainly not me. I done my license in January. Was it? No, not January, sorry. It was February, end of February. And I came out and I still don't have the card. I still move with the A4 paper because I'm just annoyed to go and collect the card. I don't deal with government affairs very well. I don't like sitting in lines. Yeah. Passport came because of China. If China didn't force, I was like, I even asked them at one point, can't they write me a letter? They were like, no, you must go get your passport. Me collecting your card next year, Jane. Collection is actually fast. If I'm there for If I'm there for 20 minutes, it means I've been there for long.
Connection is fast now.
It means I've been there for long. So now that that paper's expired of mine, so I'm actually not supposed to be driving on the road.
6 months. Does it expire?
Huh?
No.
Oh, it's long. 6 months is long gone. Lucky police never stopped. Hey, one time the police stopped me.
I don't think you should tell that.
Yeah, I shouldn't tell that story, but anyway, let me move on. It's not a bribery story or anything, but like I was in trunks for a few hours. Not for too long, just for a few hours. I was in trunks.
How did that make you feel?
Oh, they were like, "Who Ashley from Big Brother?" Ay. But I was sitting
Inmates.
and how long? We were not that long. We were not that long. Huh? Yeah, when we were taking breaks and stuff, we were chilling. So, hi. You're so beautiful. I pray. I'm gonna read your comments. Disrespectful. How do you know that that's what I want? So you pray for things that people didn't ask you to. Hey.
Is it a prosperous comment or not?
No, it's bad.
She prays for a bad comment.
Not gonna give that to you.
You should focus on
Huh?
inner.
Focus on inner prayer. Focus on praying for yourself, man. Are we done?
Yes, left to be killed down there.
To be boiled?
Yes, let me first kill it.
Okay. Thank you. Love you from Malawi. Jessie has deputy parent vibes. I mean, duh. Yo, she is. Let Jessie to show her face small, please. She doesn't want to.
Not right now. Next time.
Just hold on, let me see. CC Edits. Your name is known for editing. You are known for editing, and you've got another man's profile picture here. I have nothing to say to you. You've said enough, and why don't you just go and be a try me? I'm about to block you. Try me. Ooh, I blocked her. I'm getting very talented.
You know how to block people on what's the TikTok?
Yeah,
You know how to block on TikTok?
I'm learning now.
Must be easy. You can do it while live.
Yeah, you can do it while now in the live.
Gifted.
You don't say. Yes, blocker. She's blocked, and she ain't coming back.
You think if you block your blocks?
I blocked her so bad she might have constipation tonight, huh?
Do you think that they like get bounced from your live immediately after you block them?
Yeah, you can't see. You get bounced immediately. She got blocked. She got blocked by all pipes. Tonight, constipation. Tonight, the toilet's gonna flood because the pipes of the toilet is clogged. Shower not gonna work. Sink not gonna work. Where's Cruz? Where's Cruz?
Might be sleeping.
I think he's sleeping or watching TV. I'm not too sure.
No, he's not. I think he's on his tablet, but I think he might have fallen asleep.
He's on his tablet, but he might have fallen asleep. When was the last time Jessie took a shower? Somebody asked.
Not long ago.
When was the last time? Can you be a bit more specific?
Yesterday.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna go shower again today.
No. I want you to answer this honestly.
Yesterday.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I didn't see that. And I see
You
you.
never see me shower.
I saw you wearing those clothes day before yesterday.
So a girl can't put clothes back on.
That's even no.
No.
Just tell the truth. We lost it. Someone wants to know when last did Jessie shower.
Yesterday.
I guess Jessie is a liar.
Well.
Don't believe Jessie. Don't believe Jessie.
Are you telling me don't believe me or something else?
Ash just asked Jessie directly and don't use us. Jessie, somebody is asking, Kehu is asking when last did, Kehu said, and I'm gonna say it, I quote, when last did Jess take shower?
Jess answered the question already. You're welcome.
Kehu said don't start, but Kehu, you did ask that question, when last did Jess take shower? So now now she's lying. Huh? Oh no, she asked when last did Jess take a shower. What? She said don't do that, please. And you, come on, I have suffered. Kim, come on, man. Lighten up. Lighten up. Just please, people will drag her. Yo. She's been dragged enough. I think her skin. Who people will drag who? Kehu or Jessie? Leave Jessie alone. Well, if you're planning on dragging Jessie, it's either one of two things. It's either she doesn't give any worries about you, or she's gonna tell you off like really badly.
That's the difference. I'll tell you
Yeah.
how you know.
You're gonna wish you didn't say that,
If you do it in person,
because she might also come and find you. Kehu deserves the best admin award. If it's Kehu, I think Kehu's also her skin is tough now, so dragging us like dragging tar.
no, that's not a nice compliment.
What? I mean, that's the truth. Jessie speaks fast. Ignore. I saw someone asking a silly question here. Actually, Jessie alone. Jessie Bells will drag you. Drag me. But I didn't say anything. I just asked a question. Jessie, when last did you shower? And then now you're saying I'm dragging her. How's that dragging though? Like I literally asked her. I just had this conversation during the week. Like if you say dragging is draining, I've never felt drained from a drag, right? But that's just me personally. I can't speak for everybody. I've never felt drained from a drag. But if you feel drained from a drag, it simply just means like isolate yourself from the situation that you're in. Go ghost so that nobody will find you. Be Casper. No one will find you. No one will see you. Then you probably won't get dragged. You know, it's like a simple solution. Some of you make it like it's your daily duty. Ashley Ogle's waking up every morning, holding you all with 10 Aryan Hitler people saying, stand for Ashley. Drag people on behalf of Ashley. I'm not saying that, but if you are dragging people on behalf of me and defending, I'm grateful, you know. But if you're tired and you don't want to be dragged anymore, I'm like, guys, there's no Aryan soldiers here holding you guys together against the wall saying if you don't drag other people for Ashley, you're gonna get put in a concentration camp. Come on. Yeah. Ashes, we have been through fire and back, so we fear no evil. You see what I'm saying? Like, as I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil. How do you feel when ashes drag others? I don't feel anything. I don't feel anything. I mean, what do you want me to say? I get dragged on a daily. So if you're getting dragged back, shame.
Yes.
Psalms 23 verse 4. No one should be dragged. It's just wrong. I mean, yeah, it's just wrong. But also, do you know what else is wrong? Paying 21 rand for bread. That's also wrong. But who's standing outside of Albany and Sesco? Who actually, it's not even Albany and Sesco. Who's standing there outside of the presidential house and outside of parliament and doing like politics? None of y'all. You'll pay that 21 rand. You'll take it out. You'll take it out of your pockets. You take the 21 rand out your pocket and you pay. You know what's also wrong? Paying school fees, and then when you don't have school fees money, you don't go to school. And sometimes they credit list you when you don't have school fees money. When parents don't have school fees money, they credit list. But I don't see you all saying that on this live. Now, oh, you're not saying that now. What does farting mean? What does farting mean? Modimo. And your name is not nice to be saying the stuff that you're saying. So you're telling me your mother calls you by that name with the stuff that you say that comes out of your mouth? Your mother calls you by that name, that with the stuff that come out of your mouth? Shame.
No, it
Hey. The hair suits you. Thank you. Hi, Nikki. Donate here for me. Well, I love your hairstyles. Because you asked nicely, I might. Thank you, Charity. I'm sorry, I'm just doing something.
Sure.
Yes.
I'm waiting for my phone.
Okay, so we're gonna start here. We're gonna start out here by the pool. Down. Actually, I need shoes. Jessie, do you have shoes here?
No. The room just inside.
You have to turn it back to me now because I need shoes because I actually did shower today and I'm not willing to go outside with no shoes on. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing and hiding? You up to something. Liar.
You want Sam to put lotion, so I hope he does put lotion.
Right, guys. So now I'm starting, but I'm not starting from inside. So here we've got, as you can see, the guns. I wonder what's this. I think it's dead insects and their residue. Right, so I think the pool needs to, at this point I think it needs to get cleaned. Right now, we said we are starting by the trees. This tree, I don't know what this tree is.
And by your nose?
I don't know what it's giving. But anyway, right, here, this is some sort of desert type of tree. Then there's like some white flowers. Then I don't know what this is. But I think it's like some aloe vera type of things. This one is another desert-like tree. Yeah, this one's got like these flowers, pink, you know. I don't know what they are, but I'm sure there's something. That has something to do with money. And then there's also, it looks like there's herbs there in the corner. Herbs. Then this looks like a battered out palm tree because we don't have a beach here in Joburg. So yeah, this is giving like a cactus. I don't know, another desert thing. I don't know what that is. This one here looks like it gives lemons, but it needs to grow a lot bigger because these people also have lemons. I'm gonna steal their lemons. They're actually the neighbors. I'm gonna steal their lemons. And some lemons have fell down here. Some lemons, so I'll never run out of lemon juice. This one, I don't know what it is. I don't know. Another one of these trees here. I don't know, some flowers. This one got some sorts of like, it's not berries. I think flowers actually come out of this. Right. This tree is very ugly. It's giving like the leaves look like they're the leaves of what do you call those leaves? Mixed herbs. Looks like mixed herbs or thyme leaves. I don't know what this is. I'll figure it out at some point in life. Yes, this tree has peaches, but that was a waste. I don't know if it's really peaches. It looks a bit raw. I don't know what it is, but let it grow more. But it looks like peaches to me. Ooh, I might eat that one in the back. It looks like a peach. It's peaches. Yes, I think I'll go and eat that one. Let me take one inside and try it. Okay, not today. Let me rather wait until there's like hospital then ambulance available. Not today. Don't feel like doing that. Got somewhere to go tomorrow. Right, and that's that part. And then there's this part here. And I've got to end the live now because I've got to go inside, guys. Eats peaches. Oh, thanks guys for the updates, but they are still a bit green. Yes, mama, it's peaches. Arona block laduk. Pause it. Okay guys, I'm going inside now. I'm gonna go and get dressed. Bye everybody. A moment for the hair. It's giving. Your yard is big. Yes it is. Thank you so much. Goodbye guys. Bye everyone.